So this is going to be a different type of video. I picked up the Ryobi 1+ HP leaf blower. This is part of the Whisper series. It's 450 CFM. It's got turbo on top. It's got this on the bottom. It's got cruise control there. It's all this great stuff, right? Now, the reason why I got it is because whenever I use the 40 volt, I mean, it's pretty heavy, and I do like it. It's awesome power, but sometimes you just need something smaller. My kids, they most assuredly like to use the leaf blower with us. Now, as I'm talking, it's right around 75, yeah, right around 75, 80 dB here. Now, if I go about 4 feet out, 74 dB. Is that not awesome? Let's do that again. So right around 74, and I've got to say that's so quiet. That is conversational. So your neighbors, whenever they're watching you actually leaf blow, they're just going to think you're just holding something. They're not going to be able to hear it, which is really cool. Now, here's the fun thing about this. It is 450 CFM, and you know, it's not the fall, so I'm not going to get a lot of leaves, but have a lot of heavy grass here. Really thick grass through here. And one of the things that I want to test this on is just how will this work. It's pretty tough. You know, it's got some friction on the bottom. Here we go. Now this right now is very much on regular. I'm going to put it on turbo. Oh, an immediate power difference. Oh, it's getting pretty heavy through here. It's doing all right. It's doing a pretty good job, actually. You can see it's done a great job clearing this out. And I've got to say, for this right here, you know, one of the big attractions right now is that it's light. You don't always need that big 40 volt, 730 CFM. This 450 CFM does a fantastic job. And the cool thing about this is right now, this is typically $159 for the tool. You can get it for free with the Ryobi Days sales. Just get the HP battery pack, and this right here is going to cost $0, and that is phenomenal. And that's what you want. You want something like this that's going to be a little bit lighter. Let some people use it that doesn't really need to use that 40 volt big one, and this just does the trick. You're on cruise control right there, no fingers needed. You see that? This thing is just good. All right, let me get back to work here. But all I gotta say is, you know, the fun thing about this is it's so easy, it's so usable. If you got 18 volt batteries, this is where you want to be. You want something like this because it's going to be able to clear just about anything you want it to, and you want that added power. Yeah, go ahead and move up to the 40 volt category, but this right here is what you want for the 18 volt. I hope that this was helpful to someone. You know, I love the Ryobi tools, and I have some elbow issues now, funny enough, so it's making it a little bit harder to haul around the 40 volts. So this right here, 18 volt, it's a lot lighter. It's a lot easier on the shoulder, a lot easier on the elbow and the old joints. And I'm enjoying it quite a bit. It's nice. If you did find it helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to go down below. Check out the link for this as well. Hit the link, learn more in my description. And I think that'll help you on your journey to finding a new tool. And even if you're not looking, maybe you found something that's going to help you out. I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Take care.